Welcome back, everybody. This is Nyla back with another Skyway Classics beautiful car. Today I have a 1975 Chevrolet Camaro. Two-door, awesome orange with black racing stripes, beautiful rims and tires, automatic, definitely has had some restorations done, lots of upgraded features that you can see all listed in the description below. The description will get all into the detail and any information we have gathered from the previous owner, but just an awesome car. I mean, it's from the engine bay to the undercarriage to the trunk. It's immaculate and sounds so good. It's got the V8, but it's so quiet. Show you the interior here. Beautiful black. Right. Upgraded dash or speedometer and odometer is there. Updated stereo, all in working condition. Beautiful black leather interior. Just in really good shape. So as always, this was the walk around of the exterior and the interior. And then we're gonna get the engine started, take a couple shots of the engine bay. We'll take it down the road for a little test drive. And then we'll take a look at the underneath. Here we are inside the 75 Camaro. As you can see, these the dash has been a little upgraded. It's got a little digital light up. And they all are in working condition, which is fabulous. We're gonna go ahead and take it down the road, let it go through the gears one time, see how the transmission sounds, see how she feels and steers, and then we'll spin it around and we take a look at the underneath. But so far, this car drives like a dream. It's, like I said, had lots of different modifications and upgrades, so it feels like you're driving a brand new car. Go through our garage here. Get her on the road. But just, the handling on this is awesome. I'm a little biased because my favorite muscle cars are Camaros, but this one by far is extremely nice. Take this dip in the road here. I'll wait till we get up around the corner, give it a little gas, but the steering is awesome. No loosey-goosey stuff, nice and controlled. The brakes feel awesome. Oh yeah. We'll definitely get you where you want to go. I'm gonna flip it around, we'll get it up on the hoist, then we'll take a look at the underneath. Stay tuned.